Good morning, guys. It's July the 4th, about 10 o'clock in the morning. I wanted to do a short video on the attic foil that I had shown you in a video on Saturday. I was about completed with it on the east side over here. I had to put one more run down through there, and I was able to finish that and finish putting it up in the little pockets. If you've seen that video, you saw what I was doing there. But the foil, there's plywood up there on above the joist, but you can see the radiant heat barrier above the ductwork there in this room, and it goes all the way down through that whole house. I was right proud of it. It seemed to work pretty good. Yesterday I took some temperature readings. I went across to the other side of the house about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We were running about 92 degrees. The telephone said, weather channel said that we were running 92, feels like 99. So I went to the other side over there with the infrared temperature gun and checked the plywood under the shingles, and was running about 132 degrees. So then I came over here on this side and did the exact same thing, exact same location on this attic foil, and it was down to 95 degrees, a difference from 132 to 95. So what that says is that the roof over there was radiant heat in the attic was 132, and over here, because of the foil blocker, we was only running 92 in the attic, which would be a big difference and have considerable help with the HVAC system when you're pushing cold air through those ducts, that it's not surrounded by 132 degrees, but rather 95. So I was real proud of that. And hopefully it will continue to be like that. I also use the infrared gun to check the temperature in the cathedral ceiling here in the center section. I have R38 insulation and a radiant heat barrier above that in each one of the rafter sections. And just shooting off of the insulation, we was running a 95 degree temperature there. So I was real proud of that, which means that we would be having the ceiling up there would be at approximately a 95 degree temperature rather than 130 something degrees. So I was real proud of that and hope that it continues to reflect that heat back like that. I'm going to stop right here and pause and go up the ladder and show you the radiant heat barrier up in the attic. Okay, so we're up in the, I call it the attic section, but I'm telling you it's too small for any kind of storage, so it won't be like a real attic. There's a radiant heat barrier, attic foil, on the end wall, as well as on the bottom of the rafters and the ductwork, and all the way down through there. It's complete radiant barrier for the whole section up here. This whole cavity is covered in that. And it works pretty good. So anyway, that's what we've been doing. Now we got to go over to the other side and do it the exact same way. And then I'll put my R30 insulation between the ceiling joist and tie up some loose ends, and hopefully then we'll be able to shoot for our rough end inspection. So that's what's been going on the last couple of days. I appreciate you looking at the video. Keep up with us as we go, and y'all have a happy 4th of July and be safe. Bye-bye.